If you ever wonder, could you make the wallet out of the paracord? The answer is yes. So if you wanna learn how, in the next few minutes I'm gonna show you exactly how to make it. So stay tuned, cause tutorial is right around the corner. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube family channel. My name is Dale and today I'm gonna show you how to make the Paracord wallet. For today's project we're gonna need 15 feet of the camo Paracord 550, or in metric measurements 5 meter, and one more time the 15 feet or the 5 meter. If you don't wanna have a paracord stored like this in a mess, you can make this Paracord Donut. Here I have 15 feet or 5 meters, and in the donut like this you can store, I did here around 100 feet or 30 meters, so you can make these donuts to be larger and wider so it can fit more paracord. If you want to learn how to store your paracord this way in the Paracord donuts, I'm gonna leave the link into the cards here so you can check it out, and into the description of this video. Well, that being said, let's start making this Paracord wallet. And we're gonna also need the super glue and a piece of the cardboard. The dimension of this cardboard should be around 8 inches wide and 2.5 inches height, so it will fit your bank. You can measure it with your banknotes or your credit cards, but be sure to leave some space on the edges, top and left and right, also the bottom edge, so when you fold it, it will have the room to fit the cards or the banknotes, etc, etc. Now, that being said, on the end of this video, if you like it, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. To show you how this is quick to deploy, simply take this end of a Paracord donut and pull it through. Now we unwrap the paracord. Now we need to cut the ends of the cords and gut them out. So now when you gutted your cord, be sure to melt the ends of a cord or cinch the ends of a cord down like this, so they be right in place, and start making the rounds around this cardboard. Leave some half of an inch on the other side and then simply wrap it around like so, and always pay attention that the lines should be straight. So when you reach the end, take this part and take a clip, make it on the side here, and now count the turns or rounds you have made. I have 42 from the one and the 42 from the other side, so it's 21. So you find the center. This will be my outer side and this will be my inner side of the wallet. So I'm gonna find the center. It's on 21. It's on the 21st row. Here is the half of this rows, turns, as you wish. Now we're gonna mark this side here. You can simply take the part of the cord you have from the previous projects, like I have this black one, and embed it into the middle, so you will know that's the midpoint of your wallet. Now we're gonna turn around and we're gonna start weaving the other side of this. So we're gonna need the paracord needle or thread, or you can simply take the barbecue stick like this one. I suggest you take this rather than a paracord needle, because you're gonna need to feed the needle through it, and it's shorter needle, so this is the almost the length, or it's an equal length of this wallet. So we're gonna make it through. Now take this barbecue stick and insert it into the middle of a paracord, then like this. Then take the duct tape or a glue tape and secure it. So now take it and from the middle, from here, make it under, on top, under, on top, Now simply take the paracord needle and tuck it in on the edge of a wallet, like that. And now turn around and continue. Now here pay attention, the cord coming from the behind, so it's gonna go on top of this first one and then under and so on. Now simply turn around from this one. Here this is on top will go and this one under. Now when we're closing to the end, it gets tougher and tougher, and you can use the screwdriver to make yourself a bit easier to pull through the needle with the paracord. Let's continue till the end to finish this paracord wallet. Now take the scissors. So here we are with our Paracord wallet. Now let's see how we can use it. We can make it like this, or we can wear it like this. It's all up to you, of course. So let's take the cards and some banknotes and try it. So from the one side we have our credit cards in. As you can see, it's a bunch of it, can fit. And from the other side we have our money, so you can store here something else. Here there is a lot of space, and as you can see, it's very flexible. I hope you like this. If you do, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course, until the next time, stay safe, be well, enjoy making the great and awesome stuff out of the paracord. I'll see you in the next clip, so have fun and enjoy. Dale signing out. Bye!